Hello and good morning everyone. And in this chapter Money and Credit, we are going to start the topic how is money different from the barter system. We all know that money which we today find is been existing for thousands of years, but it was not in the current form which is found today. In the past, the animals were used as a medium of exchange, and people used to exchange animal with food grains and other articles. The system in which the people exchange the commodities like food grains, clothes, shoes, etc., with other needy goods or animals, it is called the barter system. Means it was a system of exchange, and people followed it to fulfill their daily needs. In the barter system, there was a problem. Suppose that in the barter system, two parties would be there, and each party would be requiring the other's goods. Means suppose that a farmer who have food grains, he has to exchange his food grains with the person who is willing to exchange with him. Suppose that the farmer wants shoes, then he will have to find a person who is willing to sell shoes to him in exchange of the food grains. It was a very much problematic situation because there might be very difficulty in finding a person who is willing to accept food grains against the shoes in exchange. Then what will be the price of the shoes and what will be the price of the food grains? It was also a very big problem. What will be the exchange rate? Today money has solved it. We can find in terms of money, measure in terms of money the value of food grains, the value of shoes and any commodity. But in the past it was a very difficult thing. How much food grains will fetch one pair of shoes? It is not possible. Means it was very difficult proposition, and people find it very extremely difficult to exchange. The people can't store money because in those days food grains, articles, for animals, they were all used as a form of money. The people can't store them properly. This was also problem of the barter system. Then the double coincidence of wants. It is a situation in which the person, they are facing the same problem, means they are willing to exchange the goods with one another. It is a double coincidence of wants, and it was only found in the barter system. Thus we can say that the barter system was defective, as it has in it we have to find two persons who are willing to exchange their goods with each other. तो मतलब कहने का ये है कि बार्टर सिस्टम में दिक्कत क्या थी कि हमको ऐसे व्यक्ति की तलाश करनी पड़ती थी जो अपना सामान दूसरे के साथ बदलने के लिए तैयार था और उसी रेट में बदलने के लिए तैयार था जिसमें वो पहला व्यक्ति चाहता था. इट वॉज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. नाउ मनी हैज सॉल्व्ड इट. टुडे वी हैव मनी. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ गुड्स, and we can purchase anything by paying the money and the value to the person who is willing to sell it. It is very much easier today. Then currency. Currency or money is very much helpful to us as it helps us in purchasing the goods and commodities which we require. And currency is a very unique thing. No other than the Reserve Bank of India, it makes the money, it prints the money, and the governor signs it. And is guaranteed by the central government of our country. Therefore, we can say that money is a guaranteed item, and it helps us in purchasing our daily needs, and we can pay for the services also. Suppose we hire a taxi, we can pay in terms of money. Today, currency is acceptable in the various forms. Today, we can find mostly currency in the denomination of various notes. The currency notes, denomination of 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 2000. Then we have the coins. The coins are also there for making small payment. It is much easier to carry the notes because the notes are very light and convenient to carry, and the coins are very bulky too. So we don't carry much coins. We carry only the notes. But today we have got the plastic money, the debit card, the credit card. We can pay with the services and items with the help of debit card. We can purchase items without paying. The credit card helps us in doing that. So we have got the plastic money or the debit card also. Then due to security reasons, we can't carry much money with us. Suppose we are traveling, we can't carry a lot of money because it may be stolen or theft. Then we can carry the draft, we can carry the check and the others. So these are the various forms of money which are existing in our current world, and they are helping in the exchange of goods and services and making our life very convenient, easier, which was not there in the past. So we can say that money has made our life easier nowadays, and we feel very much find ourselves convenient to use the money, as it is guaranteed by the apex government of our country. So thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day.